This story teaches us about personal responsibility and the true nature of temptation. Let's read the verses together. Then the Lord said to Cain, "Why are you angry? Why is your face downcast? If you do what is right, will you not be accepted? But if you do not do what is right, sin is crouching at your door. It desires to have you, but you must rule over it." These verses illustrate how God graciously intervenes when we are heading down the wrong path. It reveals a dynamic between human choice and divine warning that we still face today. First, notice God's loving pursuit. God asks Cain why he is angry, inviting him to reflect on his heart rather than just reacting in bitterness. Next, we see a terrifying and vivid image of temptation. God describes sin as a predator crouching at your door. It isn't passive or harmless, it actively desires to consume and destroy us. Lastly, there's the call to mastery. God tells Cain, "You must rule over it." We are not helpless victims to our sinful desires or our dark moods. God gives us the choice and the mandate to overcome them. Now, how does this apply to us today? Genesis chapter 4 verse 6-7 teaches us that unchecked anger, jealousy, and resentment leave the door of our lives wide open for sin. Consider your current frustrations. Are you allowing bitterness to crouch at the door of your heart? Look at your reactions. Are you choosing to do what is right and find acceptance, or are you letting your emotions master you? Let's take a moment to pray. Lord, help us to recognize when our emotions are leading us astray. Forgive us for the times we let anger and resentment take root. Give us the strength and awareness to rule over the sin that crouches at our door, and the grace to always choose what is right. In Jesus' name, Amen. If this video helped you understand how to confront temptation and master your emotions, share it with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Join us next time on this journey through the Bible, step by step.